In a groundbreaking feat of innovation, Japan has unveiled the world's first railway station built with 3D printed components, assembled in under 6 hours. The cutting-edge project was carried out by Serendix, a construction technology firm, in partnership with JR West. This ultra-efficient station now stands in the coastal area of Hatsushima, a peaceful neighborhood in Arita, a city in Wakayama Prefecture with around 25,000 residents. The previous wooden station was entirely replaced between the last train of the evening and the first one the following morning, an unprecedented timeline in railway construction. Serving an average of 530 passengers daily with 1 to 3 train services per hour, the station operates along a single rail line, making it an ideal candidate for experimental infrastructure upgrades. Covering just over 100 square feet, the new station is more compact than its predecessor but significantly more durable and cost-efficient. According to JR West, conventional construction methods would have taken more than 2 months and required double the budget. To execute the rapid transformation, Serendix prefabricated the station components at a facility in Kumamoto Prefecture, nearly 500 miles from the site. The 3D printing and concrete reinforcement process was completed in 7 days, after which the pieces were transported by truck and delivered on March 24. While the structure is now in place, final touches such as interior installations, ticketing systems, and card readers are still pending. JR West expects to complete these additions and open the station to passengers by July. Hatsushima was selected for this pilot project because of its location near the sea, allowing the team to assess how well the 3D printed structure withstands salt-laden coastal air. The initiative is part of broader efforts to explore new technologies that can address Japan's ongoing labor shortages in railway and infrastructure development. This pioneering project not only redefines how rail facilities can be built but also offers a glimpse into the future of rapid, efficient, and environmentally resilient construction.